Good morning, students. Today I'll be teaching moral values subject. Okay, chapter 8. The name of the chapter is being active. Okay, being active means allowing your body to practice. Okay, the more practice your body gets, the better it works. Okay, this is the meaning of being active. Alright, so here you can see, look at the activities given below. Okay, color the box red for the activities you liked and blue for unlike activities. Okay, if you like the activities, put the color red. If you don't like, put blue color. Okay, so first one, the boy is sick. Okay, the boy is sleeping. Alright, so if you like, you can put red. If you don't like, make it blue. Okay, and second one is the girl is dancing. So in this way you have to put red color and blue color. If you like, put it red color, and if you don't like, put it blue color. Okay, so here is the picture. Third one is cleaning the room. Fourth one is watering the plant. Fifth one is playing in the garden, and lastly the boy is watching TV. Okay, so you put red color and blue color. If you like, put it red color. If you don't like, put it blue color. Okay, so now let's begin with the story. Okay, once a king felt greatly distressed as all his people were lazy. Okay, so one day what happened, the king felt greatly disappointed. Okay, all his people because of lazy. Okay, nobody was ready to do work. Okay, the king noticed the people, but the people were not ready to work. Okay, he wanted to teach them a lesson. What the king wanted them to do? The king wants to teach them a lesson. Okay, therefore he had a big stone placed right in the middle of the road. Okay, what he did, he put a stone in the middle of the road. Okay, so right in the middle of the road he put it, the king. Okay, so now let's see next paragraph. Even you can see the picture. Okay, the king was silently looking at his people. Okay, how lazy they are. Okay, many merchants passed by, looked at a stone, made a face and went around it. An officer who was driving his carriage avoided the stone and went away straight. Okay, so many people and merchants passed by looking at the stone, but no one picked it up. Okay, so made a face and went around it. Okay, and even the officer who was driving his carriage avoiding the stone, and they went away straightly. Okay, as they pretend as if they didn't see the stone in the middle of the road. Okay, a Tonga polar was facing his Tonga in which two ladies were sitting. Okay, a Tonga polar. Okay, a Tonga polar was facing his Tonga in which two ladies were sitting. Okay, so Tonga means two-wheel horse-drawn carriage used for transportation. Okay, Tonga polar did not see the stone in the middle of the road. Okay, the Tonga polar, he did not see the stone in the middle of the road. Okay, because he was facing his Tonga. Okay, and suddenly his Tonga's one wheel got struck with the stone and it got a tumble. Tumble means a fall, specially and over an. Okay, I mean fall down suddenly but without serious injury. Okay, the two ladies were they fall down but they did not get any injury. Okay, only they fell down. Okay, So here he was in hurry. The Tonga puller was so hurry that he could not see the stone in the middle of the road, and that's why the two ladies were fell down. Okay, they fell down from the Tonga. Okay, and what happened? Let's see. Suddenly his Tonga's one wheel got struck with the stone and it got a tumble. Okay, and one of the ladies fell down. There are two ladies. One did not fall down and another one she fell down. The lady fell down from the Tonga. Okay, the three of them made many abuses to the government, but no one moved that stone. Okay, they fell down from the Tonga, and many people pass by, even the merchant they pass, but no one see that the stone is in the middle of the road. Okay, so they keep on complaining and complaining to the government. They criticize, and for that stone they are complaining for the government, but no one removed that stone. Okay, and the stone kept lying in the middle of the road. Okay, the stone was kept in the middle of the road. Okay, finally the king called the men and ministers and ordered them to remove the stone in front of the people. So at the last moment, what happened? Finally the king called the man and minister. Okay, the king was hidden from the tree and he was just looking all the people and watching, but no one removed the stone from the road. Okay, so the king called the two men and it was removed. Okay, the stone was removed. Okay, under the stone they they found an iron box with red. Okay, what they found? They found a red iron box. Okay, a piece of equipment for making clothes flat and small. Iron box means a piece of equipment for making clothes flat and smooth. Okay, and for the man who removed the stone, the king opened the box and it was full of gold coins. Okay, so for the man who removed the stone, okay, the king opened the box and it was full of coins. Okay, so no one bothered about the stone, but when they removed, they found full of gold coins, and everybody's were now glittered to see it. Okay, but the king said, as you all were lazy and did not bother to remove the stone, nobody deserved it. Okay, so the king knew that the people were very lazy, so, and also everybody's eyes were glittered to see it because they saw that there is full of gold coins. Okay, but the king said, as you all were lazy and did not bother to remove the stone, nobody deserved it. So he is not agreed, the king was not agreed to give the gold coins to anyone. He carried the box away and his people felt greatly ashamed. Okay, so what happened? The people they feel very ashamed because many people were passed by and walking in the road, but no one see the road on the stone was in the middle of the road. Okay, but the king was observing the people, and the king found that the people were very lazy, so he did not give to anyone a gold coins. Okay, so this is the story of being active. Okay, we should be always active and we should do our homework every day. Okay, so it is better to change our view beside blaming others. Okay, so never let the laziness come in the way of your success. Okay, so we should not miss our opportunity, so we should always be active even doing our homework. Okay, so this is the story of being active. Thank you.